Here's the app called Partybus Truth or Dare. Truth or Dare, do you dare? So just tap get and then you'll be able to install this app. And then yeah, you will see that this app is quite popular. It has 11,000 ratings, 4.5 average rating. The app is great and perfect with friends. I turned a free trial and now I think I got rid of subscription. But the game is fire, really cool and fun to play with friends, really gets the stuff that so yeah, fun with friends. So if you're on some party or getaway, so that's basically the app you can give a try. And then yeah, you can just welcome back. Then you can just add a player and then just name the player. And then select different games, roulette or cards, select level, soft level, and then prepare for the apocalypse. So select theme, for example, and then you can just play it like that. So that's make a choice, and then basically you just play the game Truth or Dare. So that's what it is, and then you just have scoreboard, and then that's what it is. So yeah, that's basically the app. You can also change languages, as you can see here. Game rules. So yeah. And that's basically what it is. So super easy, convenient, just on your phone. You don't need to use some additional devices or some board games and all of that. So just play from your phone. Pretty cool.